Hello, this is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator here at the HDBaseT booth at InfoComm 2022. Really pleased to be joined by Jennifer Crotinger with C2G, a brand of Legrand. Thank you so much, Jennifer, for joining me. I really appreciate you being here.
Thank you for having me. I really appreciate it.
So let's talk a little bit about what C2G is doing. It's obviously an exciting, dynamic time in the industry these days. The sense I get is that versatility and flexibility is the name of the game, being able to serve different needs. Can you talk about how that's kind of a goal and a purpose of C2G, that flexibility?
Absolutely. At C2G, we really try to have several different ways to extend a signal because applications are all different. So we have passive cables that can go up to 25 to 50 feet depending on the signal type that you're dealing with. And then beyond that, which is common in education and corporate spaces, being able to extend beyond 50 feet, we have HDMI AOC cables, we have HDBaseT, which is really great to extend multiple signals over a single category cable.
So let's talk about some of those applications, some of those vertical solution areas, conference rooms, for example, education. These are all very, very robust spaces these days. They're also very dynamic spaces in light of the pandemic. People are figuring out the correct way to outfit and situate these spaces. Can you talk about what you're seeing on a vertical market level and how you're trying to lean C2G into it?
Sure. We definitely see HDBaseT becoming a prevalent technology in conference rooms and classrooms, particularly because when a system is designed, the system designer may not know what that how much room they're going to have in their conduit. So they tend to gravitate towards an over-category cable solution because they know they can pull a category cable, it's going to fit. And so that's a good plan. And then the HDBaseT transmitter and receivers on either end, just having that flexibility to do multiple signal types, to do extending a camera or extending a keyboard or a mouse.
It's particularly important to have that no latency, that zero latency factor, and I would think that HDBaseT is really kind of essential to that element. Is that the case?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that's where HDBaseT really shines in those conference room or classroom situations where you're viewing somebody's mouse or they're using their mouse as a pointer. That zero latency really plays a role in that. And also you can stream high bandwidth video over that and not see that latency as well. So it's good for digital signage solutions or if you were going to extend some type of movie or motion picture over that.
So my last question is, obviously we're here, as I say, at InfoComm 2022. What have been your feelings so far about the conversations you're having from people interested in the C2G brand? Are you feeling like new ideas are percolating, new opportunities are percolating? What feedback are you getting?
Yeah, I think we've gotten a lot of great feedback. Our booth is really busy. The customers seem to really our offering really seems to resonate with them. Definitely always interested in that customer feedback for new features and really what we try to do at C2G is look for problems to solve. I know a lot of people want to shy away from problems, but we love problems because we want to solve them and we want to come out with a great product that is able to address those issues.
Well, thank you so much, Jennifer, for chatting with me today. I really appreciate the time investment and for educating me, Commercial Integrators audience, the HDBaseT universe, about C2G, a brand of Legrand.
Thank you so much for having me. It's been a pleasure.
So happy to have been joined by Jennifer Crotinger from C2G, a brand of Legrand. My name is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Integrator, here at the HDBaseT booth at InfoComm 2022.